Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you some fun lemon cupcakes or muffins, whatever you want to call them, that I thought would be a nice little treat for Easter. I sent them to my family and friends to enjoy, so yeah, let's go. First off, you want to get the peel of a lemon. You want to make sure it is clean before you do that, and then you also want to get the juice. Now in a bowl, you want to get a little bit of vegetable oil. This is like gold dust in Germany right now, so I used a little bit less than is strictly necessary, but it still worked out fine. And then I used the same amount of yogurt. Then you want to add some sugar to that, and it is quite a bit of sugar, to be honest. And you want to give that a good mix until everything is combined nicely. Next up, you want to go ahead and add the first egg and mix that in well. Then add the second egg and repeat. You want to make sure that you have a nice combined liquid texture. Next up, you want to go ahead and add some of the lemon juice. And also the peel of the lemon, and again mix that in well. Now it's time for the dry ingredients, so you want to add the flour as well as some baking powder or baking soda and give that a mix. And I added in the flour in quarters, so this is the first quarter, this is the second quarter. Great mix. Third quarter, mix. And the last quarter, and mix. Now your dough is ready, and you can take your muffin tray with these little paper thingies, and you want to fill up your little molds with that. I used about 2 tablespoons of dough for each one, and then you want to bake them with 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. While they're cooling down, you want to take some powdered sugar and you want to add some lemon juice. I added about a little bit more than half a lemon. So yeah, just take it slowly and see whether you like the texture of the glaze. It always is a little bit more liquidy than it seems when you mix it. Just keep that in mind so it doesn't get too runny. So here's the texture in the end, and I think it was quite alright. Then you want to take a fork and you want to just stab the cupcakes a little bit so that the glaze can sink into the top layer of the cupcakes. You also want to make sure that you can take them out because you don't want them to be stuck when the glaze is applied. And then you want to spread a little bit of the glaze on top. As you can see, it is a bit runny, but it's not like completely running off, so you get a nice thin layer of glaze. And then I sprinkled some colorful sprinkles on top for Easter. And yeah, as I said, they're very delicious. I sent them all away. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this. Have a great Easter and bye.